Mas preferred ng mga naglalaro pala yung makulay. If you can't perform, Japorms, diba? So, yun na yun. So, this is something talaga na value for your money. Good day, new shoes. This is Mike of Soul Avenue. So, today guys, ang gagawin natin, samahan nyo ako mag-check ng mga iba-ibang mga sapatos na sneakers for different purposes. So, simulan natin dito sa sinusuot ko ngayon. Etong first na suot ko is the On Cloud Monster 3 Light Spray. Ito yung 3D printed na sapatos na perfect for running. Sobrang gaan na ito. Performance sneaker talaga to. Ang fit neto would be something very snug. Kunyari ako, I'm at 10.5. I usually suggest kung malapad pa mo, you should go up one size para dito kasi maskip talaga yung entrada niya. And then kung hindi naman masyado malapad yung paa mo, you can go half size. Dito suggested na mag-2 size. 11.5 nga to guys, so, pero ako 10.5 lang. Yun yung sakto lang sa akin. Okay, so guys, etong susunod nating sneakers would be the On Cloud Tilt na Sandu. So, ang purpose na ito would be very comfortable and you can wear this almost every day. Hindi kayo magkakaproblema sa pagsuot na ito. So, ang susunod naman natin na sapatos is the On Roger Pro 3. This is something that you can use for pickleball and tennis, no? So, we have several colors na dumating nito. Mas preferred ng mga naglalaro pala yung makulay. Kasi syempre, pag naglaro ka, kitang-kita yung sinusuot mo na sapatos, no? So, flash natin dito yung mga iba nating colors ng mga Pro 3 and Pro Fire para ma-wear kayo. So, we have this in all of our branches. So, this is something perfect kung really serious ka into tennis and pickleball. Malapad yung paa ko, parang feeling ko na lalakas ako sa pagpipickleball dito, no? Tsaka ang ganda ng grip. Sabi nga nila neto, if you can't perform, Japorms, diba? So, yun na yun. I wear Golden Goose if may special occasions kasi this is a statement sneaker, eh, no? Quiet luxury, pero pag nakita kasi ng mga tao naka Golden Goose ka, if you know na siya, no? Ganda, oh. Incomplete star niyan, kita nyo, diba? Half star yung tawag ng iba. Kaya yan ganyan, that's intentional kasi to express your own self. Meron silang mga creative na line sa mga store nila which is yung parang i-custom mo yung mga Golden Goose mo kasi they wanna promote yung uniqueness ng bawat isa. I'll be showing you yung pinaka-latest na silhouette ng Salomon which is the Salomon XT EVR. EVR, it means everyday. So, why do they have this EVR na silhouette? Kasi XT6 nila which was meant for trail running, ginagawang pang daily ng mga tao, no? So, ginagawang pang fashion which is hindi naman talaga yun yung purpose ng Salomon. Ang purpose talaga nun is for trail running. So now, they made a solution at ang solution nila would be this sneaker. Kasi ito, this was meant for everyday. Grabe, sobrang comfortable niya, no? Ang price point nito is around 10 to 11,000. Syempre yung Salomon natin na GTX or Gore-Tex, more on the higher end of nasa 15, 14. So this is something talaga na value for your money. So yung sunod natin would be the Salomon XT6 na Gore-Tex White Footwear Silver. So ito na yung bestseller natin, no? So try natin. Ito naman yung pinaka-trend ngayon na sinuot nila paring Hybe at saka nila Daniel Padilla. So ito yun. Gore-Tex naman to. So ibig sabihin it's waterproof. If you're going for medyo malamig na countries, this is something na isasuggest ko sa inyo. And ang susunod naman is yung latest natin for On, which is the Cloud Monster 3. So you've been waiting for this one. This is perfect also for running, pero most of the time kahit pang daily ang ganda nito. Pwede nyo rin pantakbo, pan-gym, and everything. Sobrang comfortable niya lang, no? So latest technology ng On to. Let's try. Yung light spray, sobrang gaan. Yung On Cloud Tilt na comfortable. Tong Cloud Monster 3, parang ramdam ko talaga yung tangkad ko bigla. Parang naging 6-footer ako bigla. And then siguro comparing this with the Salomons, kasi yung Salomons is a different breed na talaga. If you want something stable, if you want something comfortable, I think that's the perfect one for you. Yung mga Salomon, lalo na yung XT EVR. And then yung XT6, syempre, malambot din naman yon, pero it's more on the intentional side. I showed you several sneakers and their purposes. Thank you for watching, guys. Till next time.